Are you worried about dodging big rigs on Jamaican roads?
Yes?
Fear not, I've got some tips to keep you safe. First off, always keep your distance. Big rigs need more room to stop, so give them that extra space. Think of it like sharing your favourite Jamaica juicy patty. Share the road, don't crowd.
What?
Next, avoid blind spots. If you can't see the truck driver's mirrors, they can't see you. Easy rule, right? When passing, do it swiftly and confidently. Don't linger beside a big rig. Pretend you're Usain Bolt, fast and focused. And watch out for wide turns. Big rigs need lots of space to turn, especially on those narrow Jamaican roads. Give them the room they need. Lastly, stay alert. Keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Distracted driving is a no-go, whether you're in Montego Bay or Kingston. And for you, my dog heart truckers, please avoid driving like you own the road. Drivers of semi-trucks and other big equipment can bully their way into traffic by threatening smaller vehicles